Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gopi Chandran. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about intraday option selling. We will be discussing about the indicators which you can use in intraday option selling. So before getting into this video, let me just tell you, I have started conducting training programs, and if you are interested in attending the program, I will give my number in the description. You can contact me in the number, and I will post the details of the training in the community post. So now let's get into the video. So friends, now let's discuss how you can do option selling for intraday using this super trend indicator. So first you have to go to the studies, and you have to put your super trend, and you can put pivot points and RSI also. Okay, so these are the indicators which you can use for the intraday option selling. So in super trend, what you have to do is you have to change the period to 14 and multiplier to 3. Okay, so now let's see what happened last 20th. Okay, so in this strategy you have to take 1 hour chart, and you are taking super trend indicator and pivot points. Okay, so now let's see what happened on 20th. Okay, 20th 10, we can see, you can see here there was a downtrend. I think most of you know what is super trend, because in this super trend indicator, if this red comes, okay, then it shows that it's a downtrend, and if the green comes, it shows that it's a uptrend. Okay, see, there are a few rules which you have to follow in this strategy. Okay, first is you have to enter in this strategy only after 1 hour. Okay, so if the market opens, so the market opens at 9:15, you have to enter only after 10:15. Okay, because we are taking 1 hour chart, you can enter only after 10:15. So let's see what happened on 20th. Okay, market opened on 9:15, market was showed a bullish candle. Okay, after that it was a red candle. Okay, so red candle, and after that we got a confirmation at 11:15. Now I will tell you how you can choose the strike price. Okay, so in this case you can see the spot price. Now we will be entering in the trade at 12:15, right? You can enter in the trade at 12:15. Okay, so this 12:15 we will mark here. Okay, so we'll mark this 12:15 here. So your entry point will be at 18,350. Okay, and now I'll just note the entry point, spot price. Okay, the spot price will be this, you have to note down. Spot price will be what? 18,350, right? So spot price is at 18,350. Now I'll just enlarge it a little more. Okay, so now let's see what will be the stop loss. Okay, because you should not do any naked sell, you should put stop loss on all the trades. Okay, so this was our confirmation area where we got confirmation that we are going to sell call option. Okay, because the market is going down, so we are selling call option. Okay, so the stop loss will be this is our confirmation candle, right? The next candle, the first candle, okay, before that. Okay, so if the confirmation candle is this, you should take this candle. Okay, so this is the candle which you have to take, and this candle high. Okay, so I'll just show you which candle you have to take, because this is the candle which you have to consider for the selecting the strike price. Okay, this candle will help us to select the strike price. Now the what is the strike price? 18,450. Okay, so 18,450 is the strike price. Okay, so your strike price is 18,450, and what was your spot price? Spot price was 18,350, right? So we have, now you can sell it. Okay, so now let's assume 18,450 strike price premium is 75. Okay, so now this premium is 75. Now what you have to do? Now you have to put stop loss for this, right? So from the spot price it takes 100 points. Okay, 100 points to come to 18,450. Now what is the delta? What will be the delta of 18,350? The delta of 18,350 will be 0.5, right? 0.5 will be the delta. So now you have to multiply this 100. How you got this 100? 18,350, 18,450 minus 18,350. You have to multiply this into 100. Then you get 50. 50 you get what? 50 points you get. Okay, so you have to add this 50 points with your premium. So once you add this 50 points with your premium, you get 125. So 125 will be your stop loss. Okay, so you are entering with the premium will be 75 and 125 will be the spot price. So this is how you can enter into this trading. Okay, so now again I will show you the next scenario. Okay, next scenario when we have got the confirmation. Okay, so we have got the confirmation, the buy confirmation. When you got the buy confirmation, we got on the buy confirmation we got on which date, 7:10. Okay, 7:10 we got a buy confirmation. And what will be the stop loss? This will be, we what you have to do, you have to sell put option, because down we got a confirmation that market is in a uptrend. Okay, so we have to sell put. Okay, which put option you have to select, which strike price you have to select, you have to select the previous candle before this. Okay, this is the confirmation candle, the previous candle before the confirmation candle. Okay, so this is the previous candle. So 18.7, what is that, 18.7, 18,793. Okay, let's assume it's sorry, 17,793. Let's assume it's 17,800. So your strike price will be what? Your strike price will be 17,800. Okay, strike price will be 17,800. And what is your entry point? This is your entry point, right? So let's see the entry point. This will be the entry point, this area, 17,849. 17,849 means 17,850. Okay, 17,850. So one more thing which you have to note, there should be a minimum 100 points difference. Okay, here in this case we have only 50 points. The minimum difference should be 100 points. Okay, because market will move 100 points here and there, so there should be a minimum of 100 points difference between the spot price and the strike price which we are selecting. Okay, so either you can include this 100 into the delta premium, so 0.5 delta. Okay, or else you can make this 17,750. Okay, you can make this 17,750, or you can multiply into 100. This both ways you can do. You can select this 17,750 strike. The strike price should be minimum 100 points difference. Okay, that is the main point which you have to note. So then you can enter the strategy and you can put the stop loss, and you can sell the put option. So now I will if you take all the cases, if you do the back testing, you can find there is 70 to 80% probability of winning this trade for the intraday strategy. Here all you can see market is in a trend. Okay, so in sideways market also, see, and there are two things which you have to consider. So after taking the position, now I'll tell you what you have to consider. Okay, after 2 p.m. you cannot enter into the trade. You should not enter into the trade after 2 p.m. Okay, and the second one is, you have to look into European markets. You have to look into Dow Jones. You have to look into Dow futures. Okay, you can find European futures also, you can find Dow futures also. Both the futures you can find, futures price you can find in investing.com. There are so many website, you can find it in investing.com. So this too also you have to look what is the trend of the market. When you see this Dow futures rate and all, you can, and if our market is also in a bullish mode and this is also in a positive note, then there won't be that much problem. Okay, 70 to 80% we will be on a winning side. So you have to consider these two parameters also. So now let's take a back testing. Okay, so once you go to option simulator, we can do only back testing from 30th sum. We can do only for the last month. This month we cannot do, and last month year we can do year. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, this area 17.9. So this is our confirmation candle, and once we are entering the trade, let's see what happens. Okay, so what will be our strike price? Our strike price will be this. What is our strike price? Let's see what is our strike price. Okay, our strike price will be 17,800, 17,786. So let's take 17,800. So our strike price, we have got our strike price. Our strike price is 17,800. And now let's see what will be our stop loss. we will be entering here, right? We will be entering in this area. Okay, so this area, let's see what is the price. This will be 17,650 range. Okay, so 17,650 is the spot price. Okay, what time we will be entering, that also you have to consider. So 150 points will be 150 into delta spot. What is the delta? Delta will be 0.5. Okay, so we have to make 75 points stop loss. Okay, we have to add 75 points along with this premium, so that will be our stop loss. So now let's get into the strategy. So 17800 is what we are selecting, and you have to look into the time which you are entering. Okay, so this is the time which you will be entering. You will be entering at 12:15. Okay, we got confirmation at 11:15, and 12:15 will be entering in the trade. Okay, after this candle finishes. So 12:15 we are entering. Now let's take option simulator and let's put the date. Sorry, let's put 6/17. Okay, 17 is on Friday. Okay, so the payoff date will be the same date. Okay, 17. Okay, so this is intraday which we are going to select. Okay, so what was the strike which I told you? 17,800 was the strike, right? Now we are not going to select because we are not entering now. Okay, will be entering only after 12:15. Okay, we have time. So 12:20 we will be entering. Now let's take 17,800 call option. That's what we are going to take, right? 17,800 call option. So 17,800 call option here. 17,800 call option. What is the price? 97.85. Okay, so we have to sell. We can sell 3 lots. Okay, we can sell 3 lots. Now what you have to do? You have to add 75 points, the stop loss points. 97 plus 85. 97 plus 85. Sorry, 97 plus 75. It comes to 172.5. So your stop loss will be 172.5. Okay, so once you see your 172 points, you have to exit. Okay, so now let's get. Okay, so now let's go forward. Okay, this is what it's the price is 100. Okay, 172 we have to exit. We are in loss. 915. 104 we are in loss. 330 we are in loss. 650 now we are in profit. Okay, now the market have closed. It's 15:20. Okay, so 5 more minutes. So 5 more minutes. At 15:25 you can see we are on 2,500 rupees profit. Okay, so 2,500 rupees profit. You will be closing the intraday position at 25 or 20. So almost 2,000 will be your profit. Okay, so we have not touched our stop loss, and we have made good profits from the trade. Okay, so now again I will show you what happened. Okay, so what happened after this? Market went down at 315, 415 and 15. Okay, it was it was almost a sideways. Okay, because the closing was at what? The closing was at 579. What was our spot price? 17,650. Okay, only small 70-80 points. So again, because of this 70-80 points, because we have done option selling, we have made profits. So this is how you can make profits from this trade, by adding super trend and pivot points. You can look into the pivot points also. Okay, you can look into the support and resistance, and you can do this on a daily basis, and once you get the confirmation only, you have to enter into this strategy. So thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. One more thing, I have made 2 strategy videos. First strategy is a weekly strategy, and the other one is a monthly strategy, and both the strategy have got 80% probability of winning the trade. And if you are willing to purchase this strategy, you can contact me in the number. I will give my number in the description. Thank you.